Hey everyone, it's Brittany. I'm finally back with a new video. I have not actually filmed and uploaded in a really long time. We got very busy with house stuff. It took a lot of time and it was very noisy, so it was obviously really hard to film. So I am finally back and I'm really excited to be filming this video. Today I am working with another subscription box service. This is called Kinder Beauty. If you haven't heard of it before, it is a fully cruelty-free and vegan beauty subscription box service. That's why I was very interested in working with them. If you've been watching my videos for a long time, you know that I only use cruelty-free beauty and lifestyle products. So I thought that this would be a fantastic way if you are new to cruelty-free and vegan beauty to discover some new products and get some really fun things every month. I also wanted to say I hope everyone is doing okay. I know there's so much going on in the world right now. Obviously, it is necessary things so that the world can start changing. I took the time where I wasn't filming videos to reflect and learn more. I've been pretty active on Instagram as far as the stories go, so you might have been seeing some of the stuff that I was sharing and what you can do to kind of help yourself grow and evolve. And that brings me to another reason why I was very excited, and that's because in June of this year, they donated over $5,600 to the George Floyd Memorial Fund, Black Visions Collective, Campaign Zero, Reclaim the Block, and Unicorn Riot. So I thought it was really cool that a company that is based on beauty and cruelty-free has actually gone out of their zone of beauty products and that kind of world to actually support other types of organizations and movements. So I thought that was so amazing and made me even more excited to work with them. Besides that, each month they do donate a portion of the proceeds to go to animal activists and rights organizations like ASPCA, PETA, Farm Sanctuary, and other organizations like that that help support and keep animals safe. If you are also interested in trying it out, they did give us a discount code for 10% off your entire purchase. If you use Getting Pretty, which is what my channel used to be called. It gives me good feels to hear that again. I will have all of the information about Kinder Beauty box in the description box below, and if you are interested in seeing what's inside, then just keep watching. Okay, so this first box is the welcome box. Anytime a new person signs up to receive this subscription service, you will get the welcome box first, and then for the months afterwards, you will get the regular monthly curated box of hand-picked, clean, cruelty-free, vegan, beauty, and skincare products. Those are all handpicked by two of the co-founders of this company. I will actually list all of the payment options for if you wanted to do a monthly plan, a 3-month plan, or a 6-month plan. If you do, go ahead and sign up upfront for the 6-month plan. They will include a $75 plus value free gift included with your first subscription box that comes in the mail. So I thought that was really cool. You get a little bit more value and a little bonus gift. I thought it was really cute that they do the welcome box because it gives you an idea of what you will be getting throughout the rest of the year. And it just basically has a bunch of products in here that are like fan favorites, essentials that everybody has loved so far. So it will obviously tell you about all of the things inside and then how much they are valued at. I wanted to show you the first thing that I saw in here that I was extra excited about. So these are from the 100% Pure brand, which I have a lot of products from them and I'm a huge fan of the company. And this is called the Bright Eyes Under Eye Patches. Under eye masks? I can't wait to use these. I'll probably use them tomorrow morning. I just read the back and these are actually caffeinated eye masks, which is awesome for depuffing your eyes. The mask material, which is called a hydrogel, is composed from 95% organic aloe water and 5% plant cellulose made to intensely hydrate. I love that. So that means that the masks themselves will actually break down, which is awesome. The value of one of these packs is $7. I want to know if you can also get bulk packs of these because I'm sure I'm gonna want more, but it's really good so that I can actually test it out before I decide to buy more. Very excited about this. The next thing in here that I was also really excited to see is one of my favorite products. I use it almost every single night when I'm not using some of my other eye creams, but this is the Fleur & Bee Eyes Baby Eye Cream. It is anti-aging, it's firming, it is also extremely soothing, it has natural ingredients, obviously cruelty-free, and it says that they do also donate to charities. I shared this specific eye cream recently on my Instagram as well, so you might have seen me mention this. Inside here, it has squalene, caffeine as well, so you could also use this in the morning. I just happen to have it in my nightstand, and it also has vitamin B3 for brightening and restoring your skin. So the Fleur & Bee Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream retails for $22. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and formulated without parabens, sulfates, or other nasties. Look at it. Oh, it's so nice. They have also included another brand that I am familiar with. This is by Dirty Lamb. It's the Ultra Night Serum to hydrate and protect. A nice size little bottle of this serum too. Wow, that smells so good. That feels super hydrating. I can see why it's a night serum because obviously it has oils in it. You could probably still use it in the morning, but for things like this, I do really like to use at night. This says that it retails for $52. It has a high antioxidant blend of fatty acid, oils that will keep skin hydrated throughout the night. Wheat germ oil, nature's powerhouse of vitamin E, will bring liveliness to your night skin. Sweet dreams are on the way with a hint of lavender, ylang-ylang, and orange. Apply 2 to 3 drops before bed. Simply warm oil between the palms of your hands and pat onto your face and neck. Feel free to use when you need an antioxidant boost of hydration. There's no like weird fillers in this, and that's what I'm starting to look for more in my skincare because it's something that I put on my skin every single day and it's absorbing into my body. I want to know that it's not full of like crazy weird synthetics. All right, so the next product in this welcome box is from the brand called Glove. It is the makeup removal your skin deserves. It's a like makeup remover glove. One thing that I noticed on this packaging is it says that it's not plastic packaging, it's eco. So it's eco-friendly. It says it isn't a plastic bag that takes 500 years to decompose. We are not like that. It might be hard to believe, but it's made from starch with a decomposition period of only 12 months. I love that. Ooh, it's so soft. It's so cute. The way that you are supposed to use this glove is you moisten it with water, press glove onto your skin for a moment, and gently remove makeup using a circular motion. You can clean it with the specific cleanser that I guess this company makes as well, or you can clean it with a bar of soap and then let it dry. I really love this. I love anything that removes waste from your whole like beauty skincare routine, which is why I don't buy makeup remover towelettes or anything like that because it is very wasteful. I'm trying to be more conscious of the products that I actually use. So introducing these types of things into your skincare routine is a super easy way to help prevent excess waste. The retail value of the glove on the go with eco packaging is $12.99. And the very last thing in the welcome box is a makeup product. This I'm pretty sure I've actually heard people talking about and I'm really excited to use it. This is the Medusa's Makeup Eye Dust in the shade Pennywise. These are finely milled mineral eyeshadows with high impact. They're long-lasting and a little addictive. It glides on the skin like silk and wears well all day long. These types of things, when they're like just straight up pigment, you really don't need to use a lot of. Okay. Wow. This color is incredible. Oh my god, like look at my finger. I just used the tiniest bit and it goes such a long way and it's so shiny. This pigment retails for $8, which is actually really good. I want to check out some of this brand's other pigments and products because this is like gorgeous. I'm just gonna use the glove because I just wet it and just remove the pigment and see. Oh, well that was, yeah, that works quick. So that's it for everything that was inside the welcome box. I'm very, very excited about everything that they included in here. Definitely check them out. Again, I will have my discount code for 10% off as well as the website and all the other information about this subscription box below. Thank you again to Kinder Beauty for working with me in this video. I'm so excited to see what other types of products they are gonna have in future boxes. If you guys are interested, like I said, check out the description box. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!